Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Kraken's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Kraken's account, firstly open up your Kraken application. The home page of Kraken application will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option. To sign into your Kraken's account, enter your email address or username and password associated with your Kraken's account and click on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign into your Kraken's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.